Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuhu. Today onwards we are going to discuss the physics behind concave mirror. So today in the first thing I am going to introduce you the basic components of the concave mirror. So here the representative diagram of the concave mirror. Okay. So in this concave mirror diagram I am going to place the important points. The very first important points and the very first point to you is in the middle of this curve, if you make a dot, if you place a dot in the middle of this curve, this dot is called by the name pole. So this is the pole, P-O-L-E, pole. Let's mark it down. It's the pole, P-O-L-E, pole. Okay. So that is pole. Through this center point, if you draw a horizontal line, you can extend it in both sides. This horizontal line that you draw through this pole is the principal axis. So the second part I am introducing you here is the principal axis, right? So principal axis is the horizontal line traveling through the pole. Got it? So let's give the arrow. Okay. The third part, I am going to draw a vertical line through the pole. So this vertical line is going to be, as usual, the optical axis. So you children know that one. Optical axis we used to draw with broken lines. Follow the same principle. Don't try to change the ideas. Okay. So it is the optical axis. The fourth one, what I introduce you here is at a certain distance. Here I choose 4 centimeters at a certain distance. Okay, I can adjust it here 40 millimeter, that is 4 centimeters, 40 millimeter, 4 centimeters. At 4 centimeter distance from the pole, you can take any distance, but my choice is 4 centimeter, or you can choose 2 centimeter. So that depends. I am going to mark another point, that is the focal point. And you know that one, focal point is represented using letter F. So I am writing F to the focal point. For you to clearly see the focal line, I will use a different color. If you like, you also can draw it in different color. It doesn't matter. Okay. Now thing it is, from the focal point, I'm going to take another 4 centimeters. So this is focal point. I took 4 centimeters. From there, I am taking another 4 centimeters, right? Actually, these two lines should be touching each other exactly, then only the measurement will be right. Even this much of space should not be there, so I am closing the space. Okay, so that is the focal point. Right, now from the focal point I have taken another 4 centimeter, that is this point. I'm going to mark it as with the letter I'm going to mark it with the letter capital C. Capital C stands for the center of curvature. F is standing for focal point. Just to know, you are familiar to the word focal point. So F is standing for focal point. Similarly, C is standing for center of curvature. C is standing for the center of curvature. And one more thing, principal axis and the lens and the mirror, here there is right angle. The angle here is right angle, up and down both sides it has right angle. So you have to understand the principal axis meets the pole or meets the lens at right angle. So these are the basic introduction components to so this is what you have to draw me: principal axis, optical axis, pole, focal point, center of curvature. And with one more thing, I am finishing this video. The distance between the pole and the focal point, is the focal length. The distance between the pole and the focal point is the focal length. So mark these details and send it to me. Inshallah, tomorrow I will work on another video, the reflections on concave mirror starts.